fold your paper into two, then draw your starting line already. This is our starting line. So this is the starting line. Then get your armhole measurement divided by 2. The armhole measurement you're working with is 16 divided by 2 will be getting 8 plus 1 inch allowance. So what we have is a total of 9. Then divide it into 3. Divide it into 3. So that means we are getting 3. If you divide 9 into 3, you will get 3. Whatever is your measurement, divide it into 3 and impute it. Mark the 3, the value you got. Mine are working with 3, so we are marking it here from our starting line. This is 3. So when you are done doing that, draw a straight line down. Take it down. When you are done marking, take it down. Draw the line down. Okay, this is our first line. This is the first line, sorry. This one. That's the first 3. This is the second 3. This is the third 3. So this is the first line, this is the second line, this is the third line. Okay, when you are done doing that, measure from your starting line to get your sleeve length. So the sleeve length we are working with is 13. So here is 13 plus 1 inch allowance, which is to make it 14. That's for folding. You can add more than that. It's your choice. So this is 13. We are drawing the line here. So it's a kind of a whole of this paper we are using. This is 13. 13 here plus this, which is 14. So from your first line, come down by half inch. Yeah, from this first line, come down by ½ inch. Here is our ½ inch. Then the second line, on the second line, come down by 2½ inch. 2½ inch. That's 2½ inches. Then we'll come down on the third line by 3½ inches. Okay. When you are done with this, connect your lines. That point, just connect the point. Like it will just use your straight line to connect. Then you're gonna make it a curve because it will be a curve. So use a straight ruler to connect. So here it is. Now from this to get the curve you need here, just form a curve under the line. Under that line you marked, that straight line. Just form a curve and take it straight down. Remember our sewing allowance is attached here. Then this one, make this a curve as well. It should be a curve from up. From up on top of the line, the straight line you have marked, make this a curve. I don't have a French curve. I would have curved it properly. I'm just marking, stretching with a free hand. So this is our 2.5. Then this is our 3.5. Then straight down. Remember our sewing allowance is already added. So when you are done, mark your round sleeve. The round sleeve measurement. The round sleeve you are working with here is we are working. Hold on, please. Continue doing. We are working with a round sleeve measurement. This is 12. Yeah, our round sleeve is 12 divided by 2. Remember, your paper is divided into 2. That's why you are dividing by 2. Okay. So the round sleeve, you measure it at this point where your sleeve, that's your sleeve length. 12 divided by 2 will be getting 6. We have 6. 6 is our normal round sleeve. Then you're going to add. We're going to add 2 inches to it. Okay, let's use 1.5. 1.5 inches. That's for sewing allowance. Then connect it down from this line. Connect it down to join the line. Join it. That is your sleeve length. So this is it for sleeve drafting. So this thing we just measured. The one we drafted now is a 3/4 sleeve. That is the sleeve length. 3/4 sleeve. So it's time to cut. It's time to cut. You cut from. Don't cut on top of the line, please, to avoid mistake. So this is it. We connect our line. Cut. Yeah. So you have to put hand a little so that this place will not be, the tip won't be too sharp. It won't be too sharp. Just a little bit of trimming. We are done. Voila! This is our sleeve. So when you turn it, when you unfold it, you get this. This is our sleeve. Our 3/4 sleeve. This is it, 3/4. So that is it for today's tutorial. See you next time. Bye.